Monetizing your Instagram account can be challenging and it likely won't happen overnight, but it is possible. In this video, we'll review how to grow and monetize your Instagram account. We'll cover both organic and paid Instagram advertising options, so keep watching. We don't have to tell you that Instagram is incredibly popular. Over 1 billion people open the app every day to watch or share images and videos. But with a little patience, perseverance, and creativity, anyone can become an influencer and make their presence on this network profitable. It's important to recognize that today there is more competition than ever, so it is key to use every tip and trick in the book to help your account stand out from the rest. This includes everything from hashtags, to the time you post, to the quality of the videos and the images you publish. Let's dive into our 7 tips to grow and monetize your Instagram account. How to make money on Instagram. 1. Create a niche. Today, if you have an account that is very broad and that doesn't center around a specific theme, it will be hard to get a lot of followers. Instagram has grown so much and standing out is more difficult than ever. To get attention and make your account profitable, you must specialize in a niche market. Consider creating an account where you share your expertise or opinions, teach or show people how to do something, or post about your brand, like news, projects, etc. If you're still not sure where to start, these are some visually friendly categories that are often popular: pets, food and recipes, sports and diet, architecture and art, travel, fashion, beauty, or jewelry. And finally, here's a pro tip. If you're serious about monetizing your account, you can turn it into a company profile. This is done by linking your Instagram with Facebook. This way you can put a call to action button like send message, get data with analytics, and advertise on Instagram. 2. Influencer marketing platforms. Influencer marketing is by far the most profitable way to make money on Instagram. Depending on the number of followers you have, you can charge brands anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars for just one single sponsored post or story. Finding brands to partner with on sponsored posts can be tricky, especially if you're just starting out. Create a summary that includes information on who you are, your profile, what type of audience you have, your niche, data on your followers, and your analytics. Find companies or brands that you would like to work with and present how you can spread the word about their products or services. Once your account gets big enough, you can even find influencer agents to work with who will find brands on your behalf. If your account is still small, there are some platforms you can use that allow brands and influencers to connect easily. Here are 2 of them. 1. Influence. It doesn't cost anything and they offer you a table of earnings depending on the number of followers you have. For example, if you have 5,000 followers, you can earn $10 for a validated post. And if you have 500,000 followers, you can earn $1,000 per validated post. The average is $2 per 1,000 followers. 2. Social Publi. This is another platform for influencer marketing that puts companies in contact with influencers. And among them are Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Snapchat. The strength of this platform is that it not only works with influencers, but also with micro-influencers. If you are an influencer, all you have to do is register and create your profile. The platform itself will tell you what your audience is interested in, so brands will know what kind of community you have already created. When you're first starting, these platforms are a good option to begin earning some money. But as you grow, I recommend reaching out to brands you're interested in and trying to form partnerships yourself. In the long run, the deals will be more lucrative this way and you'll have greater control over who you feature on your page. Number 3, Instagram stories, live events, and reels. Some Instagram stories ideas include publishing discounts, reviewing products, sharing personal news, highlighting daily activities, or sharing events you're attending. This content is just as important as what you post in your regular feed and can be casual. You can also broadcast live videos on Instagram and they will appear in the same spot as stories. Finally, we have Instagram Reels, Instagram's answer to TikTok. And if you're already posting on TikTok, this is a great way to repurpose your content. They're very popular right now, so we encourage you to post to Reels regularly. Number 4, sell presets or default filters you have created. Presets are a common and easy to sell item that many big accounts use to make some extra money. But what exactly is a preset? Presets can be created in Lightroom and they help enhance the effects of Instagram images. They're special filters often designed by Instagrammers or photography professionals that the owners put up for sale. Here are 2 examples. Jack Morris has over 2.5 million followers and has made his account a real business. He not only makes money through brand partnerships, but through the presets that he sells. @FlyingTheNest is another Instagram account that sells presets when they're not posting about brand partnerships. Selling presets likely won't yield enough money to live off of by itself, but they're an easy and effective way to make extra cash. They're especially useful if you have a unique photography aesthetic that your followers love, as it allows them to emulate you on their pages and then share it with their own followers. Advertising on Instagram. Competition on Instagram is tough, and it can be difficult to differentiate yourself whether as an influencer or a corporate account, so sometimes to make money, you have to invest money. An advertising campaign on Instagram can help exponentially multiply your engagement by attracting potential customers or followers to your account. Aspiring influencers should not shy away from the idea of advertising since there is no minimum budget requirement. You can start with $5 a day or $3,000 a month. It all depends on your goals and budget. Instagram campaigns can be stopped and modified at any time. The platform gives opportunities to both small and big accounts. Remember, digital advertising is not just for big brands. Number 6, listen to what your audience wants. When you start to make money, your checks will likely be coming from the businesses you're working with, but the real drivers behind your success will be your audience. It's essential that you always keep your audience's interests and wants at the forefront. If your audience prefers highly staged photos and beautiful images, be sure to work hard at creating that content. Or maybe your audience prefers Instagram stories where you share humorous parts of your day and funny thoughts. The important thing is that you understand and utilize this. This is a great way to ensure your engagement numbers are high and thus bring in more followers and interested brands. Use your inside knowledge to create specific products that appeal to your audience, whether that's digital or physical. You can write a book, a digital guide, design a template, offer premium content like an exclusive podcast or video, and more. Number 7, sell your photos in image banks. If you want to make money with Instagram in a direct way, you can upload some of the images that you have prepared for this network to an image bank and put a price on them. You can use Shutterstock, which works under the concept of microstock. With the ever-increasing use of the internet, the need for digital images has grown exponentially, and for this reason, microstock portals were created. They are a kind of low-cost image bank where you can take the pictures and then they sell them. The fees are distributed in proportion. For example, for every 100 images, you can get $400 a year. But if you're regularly uploading new ones, for about 1,600 photos, you can get $6,400 every year. One tip is to upload images from your Instagram that you know may be needed by companies or agencies. Remember, nowadays it takes more effort and money to grow your followers and monetize your account than it did a few years ago. But your initial investment doesn't have to be very high, and the results will begin to build upon themselves the more you grow. Learn, try different things, and always listen to your audience and what they want. Don't look for shortcuts and avoid buying followers or fake likes. By adapting to your audience's taste and working hard, you can become a real influencer and make money on Instagram. If you want to learn more about Instagram and how to improve your engagement rate, check out this video. Thanks for watching.